1 Minute Russian Lesson 4.
It's time for 1 Minute Russian, and I'm your host, Anne. In this course, I'm going to be teaching you just enough Russian to get by on holiday or on a business trip to a Russian-speaking country, or just to impress your Russian-speaking friends and colleagues. You've already learned some greetings and useful words and phrases. Last lesson, you learned how to say you speak a little Russian. We're going to add to this today. Now, I think I hear the clock ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. You already know how to say, I speak a little Russian. Can you remember this phrase? It's «Я немножко говорю по-русски». Excellent. Now today we're going to add a couple of other useful phrases for dealing with the language. In Russian, I don't understand is «Я не понимаю». Let's listen to that again. I'll say it more slowly. «Я не понимаю». Repeat after me. «Я не понимаю». Imagine someone said something to you in Russian and you'd no idea what they'd said. What would you say? That's right. You'd say, «Я не понимаю». You can go one step further and say, I'm sorry. I don't understand. Let's learn the phrase for I'm sorry. It's извините. I'll say that again slowly. Извините. One more time. Извините. Now, let's add that to I don't understand. Извините. Я не понимаю. That's quite a mouthful. Let's try it again. Извините. Я не понимаю. Just try it one more time. Извините. Я не понимаю. Excellent. Time's up. Even if you're trying to make that good impression with your Russian-speaking friends or colleagues, don't worry about not understanding what they say. They'll be very impressed and appreciative if you can say that you don't understand in their language. In the meantime, thanks again. Спасибо и до свидания.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.